Okay, so I went ahead and graphed this one on Desmos. Just want to make sure I point out a few things about the ordered pairs that I came up with. X-intercepts were 1, 0, negative 2, 0, 1/2, comma 0. The y-intercept was 0, comma 2. We also talked about the end behavior. That's what you also need to be able to sketch your graph, your end behavior. The left side approached negative infinity and the right side approached positive infinity. Kind of like this, left side down, right side up. Possible extremes we knew were 2. And then we also have an additional point. With the y-intercept 0, comma 2, I think I said that. With an additional point, negative 1, comma 6. So let's take a look at what that looks like when I graphed it on Desmos. Here it is. You can see that I have a couple points. I have my x-intercepts at negative 2, 0, 1/2, comma 0, and 1, comma 0. They did an additional point at this minimum. All right, you can use your calculator to find that. There's the maximum. Here's the y-intercept. All right, just so happened on negative 1, comma 6, almost is close to that maximum. Not quite though, but it's a little bit off. It ended up being about right to the right of it, but that's where it would be. And that would be good enough for a sketch for me. All right, and you wouldn't even have to find this minimum, but you could find it if you actually insert it into Desmos or a calculator. And then going off the pattern that it's a cubic function, I do have the graph in this shape. It's a cubic function, and my end behavior down on the left, so negative infinity on the left, and up to positive infinity on the right. And then I sketch the graph. It looks nice, going through all the points, mimicking or imitating a cubic function and following the end behavior, and that's how I get my graph. That's how I sketch my graph.